The Belkin Difference. Pioneer in technology and innovation for over 35 years. Aramid fiber reinforced cable in double braided nylon provides added durability. Supports 3A fast charging. Flexible insulation reduces friction. Connector key features. 1. USB if connector. 2. Intelligent chip supports up to 60W optimal charging. 3. Robust metal can protect circuit board. 4. High polished extruded aluminum casing pairs perfectly with your device. 5.18 mm TPE strain relief. Top reviews from the United States. Durability well worth the price. This cord is great. The original one that came with my computer wore out and broke down quickly at the connection point where it usually bends. The second one I bought to replace it did the same. That's when I decided to spend a little more on this one, and I'm so glad I did. Bought a second one for my husband almost immediately when he saw how sturdy mine was. Have had it for a while now and it's still perfect.